Today, I'm making vegan stuffed cabbage rolls with mushrooms and walnuts. Carefully separate the cabbage leaves. Next, prepare the filling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Enjoy your meal.